Hearing a strange whining noise from the engine bay that sounds like a miniature jet engine taking off? That is often the secondary air injection pump trying its best to work while a P2259 code is lurking in the background. This code essentially means the brain of your car, the PCM, has detected low voltage on the secondary air injection control circuit, designated as B. This system is there to pump fresh air into your exhaust to help burn off extra emissions, which is great for the air we breathe, but a real pain when it breaks. It usually consists of an electric or belt-driven pump and a bunch of high-temp silicone hoses. One of the most common failure points is actually the one-way check valves. They tend to fail and let condensation crawl back into the pump, which then freezes or corrodes the internals. If you live in a place with freezing winters, this happens all the time. To fix this, you should first hunt down any blown fuses because a shorted pump motor will pop them instantly. Grab your DVOM and check for voltage at the pump connector. If you are getting power there but the pump is silent, the motor is likely seized or failed internally. If there is no power at all, you will need to trace the wiring back to the PCM to find where the signal is getting lost. Check for any wires that might have rubbed through, burned, or melted against the hot exhaust pipes. It's a bit of detective work, but keeping this system healthy prevents your catalytic converter from getting overworked and failing prematurely. If the code is intermittent, it might be even harder to find. So look for loose pins in the connector. If everything else checks out and you still have the code, it might be a software glitch or a failing control module, but start with the simple stuff like fuses and wiring first to save yourself the headache. Make sure those silicone hoses are not cracked or leaking air either, as that can throw the whole system off balance and trigger more codes. Catching this early keeps your engine running clean and quiet without those peculiar noises.